Hi, Joe Cerrone. Welcome to CAD-117 Intermediate AutoCAD and our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Okay, so this week we've released module number 9, which is on auxiliary views, and basically it's being able to project a true size view off an inclined plane. The lecture material is right here for module 9. The author did update the textbook, and he doesn't have this chapter in, but I felt that it was a good chapter, and so we're leaving it in. And so essentially what we are doing here is projecting over these points to an inclined plane and then projecting them off a reference plane. And what this does is it will project the shape of these inclined planes in true size using orthographic drawing techniques. So it's a technique that is still relevant in some aspects. And so our project for this course, for this class then, is to create these auxiliary views. Okay. Here's a module 9 tutorial. And so we go through the module 9, how to create the auxiliary projections. Back to the module 9. Here's the chapter lecture, and then there's a prototype drawing that we'll download and open to be able to complete the assignment. Okay, with that, I'm going to go back to the main splash page. And it looks like it switched sections on me here. There we are. Hopefully you'll enjoy your Thanksgiving week. As we start to wind down, you can keep an eye on the outline of topics, and we'll continue to follow the sequence of topics for the course as we run through and work through our drawings. Okay, with that, I'm going to end the Zoom meeting and open things up for questions.